The 5S audit process improves workplace organization and efficiency. It derives from 5 Japanese words beginning with S: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Sort, Seri, involves removing unnecessary items from the workspace. Identify what's essential for daily operations. Discard or relocate items that aren't needed. Label items for proper identification. Establish clear disposal procedures for unneeded items. Set in order, Seitan, requires organizing items logically to minimize unnecessary movement. Use visual cues and labels for clarity. Create clearly marked storage areas. Shine, Seiso, focuses on keeping the workspace clean and inspecting equipment regularly. Clean spills immediately and make cleaning supplies available. Standardize, Seiketsu, involves establishing consistent procedures for maintenance. Train employees to ensure everyone understands and follows these procedures. Conduct regular audits to monitor compliance with 5S principles. Encourage continuous improvement to sustain long-term benefits. Develop systems to maintain improvements over time. The 5S audit checklist includes points for sort, such as removing unnecessary items and proper labeling. Set and order points focus on logical organization and visual cues. Shine points emphasize workspace cleanliness and regular equipment inspection. Standardize and sustain points highlight established procedures and employee training. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement. The eAuditor app offers features like setup and authentication with secure login. Create predefined or custom 5S checklists and attach photos as evidence. Generate real-time reports and track compliance trends. Send alerts for critical findings. Ensure integration with existing systems while maintaining data security and privacy compliance. Implementing 5S can lead to a 30% increase in productivity through improved organization. Waste is reduced by 40% by eliminating unnecessary items and processes. Space is optimized by 50% through better organization and layout design. Safety is improved by 25% by reducing hazards and maintaining cleanliness.